Hi guys, I have gotten some requests for help on how to do the Sonata form and also the Rondo assignment. Now, it really is an easy assignment. The hardest part actually is to put the assignments, the creations that you have onto the content editor. So as we look here, here's my theme A prime, right? This is already kind of altered. It has some added notes here and there. So it starts on a G. That's that note over here. And then it ends on a C, this note over here. Now, if you look at my next theme B, it's going to go from the C up one note to the D, right? That is D. It's the very next note. So I have to find something that kind of like connects, one to another, those two themes. So kind of like a link. By nature, themes are pretty. They kind of stand still. So they have this character of, being isolated, and they stand pretty. Whereas transitions are more active. They have faster notes, they move, right? So if we go back to my theme A, right, there is some movement in there, but there's not as much movement as what I have here, right? I have, in many words, kind of an ascension from that C over then a C that is going to lead me on to that D, right? And it doesn't have to be something pretty, but just think I need a lot of movement in my transition, and I need to connect that last note of my first theme over to my next theme. Now, if I'm going from B back to A, it's kind of the opposite direction, right? So I'm taking the last note of my theme B, and I'm going to go back to my theme A, and that's how I create a retransition. Again, this is just an effort that I want from you guys. It doesn't have to be a masterpiece in music. I just want to see that when you are looking at a theme, your theme is much more static. And when you have a transition, there are faster notes, you're going somewhere, right? You're traveling. And that's all it is. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours. I hope this helps.